Magtanong ka, pagkatapos dito.
Yan po ba, Mr. President?
Kailangan, takot ako sa inyo, sir. Ano yung kita? Sinong kandidato na sa ulit?
Sir President, you cannot ask question. We will be the one asking question.
That's why it's like...
Kasi po kami po nakakatanggap po. Mr. President, I still have the floor. Mr. President, history. Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, will you confirm that the Office of the President humingi po ng mataas na budget para po sa reward system? Sir, can you kindly use the mic, please? Can you kindly use the mic, please?
But that's correct. So you have to spend money for operations, for intelligence. Alam mo, sir, if I will be allowed to explain, ang isang pulis, at magtanong ka dito after this hearing, magpunta ka ng anong istasyon, ang pulis, hanggang sweldo lang yan, pati equipment, office material. Pero sabihin mo yung pulis na may sariling fund for an operation day-to-day to follow up cases sa mga criminals, wala, sir. Pagtawag ka ng isang pulis dito nga, magtanong ka, pagkatapos dito.
Yan po ba, Mr. President?
Kailangan,
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir. No, go ahead, sir.
Kailangan punduhan mo talaga ang pulis. Lalo na if there is a serious crime, kidnapping, ikaw talaga ang pipinance niyan. Walang pera ang pulis na mag-follow up kung saan dinala yung victim. They have to spend money or else you end up with nothing. And sometimes, yung time limit ng binibigay ng kidnapper, hindi na masunod, pinapatay nila. That's why it's race against that. Kaya ako, pagka ganito, mas kung na-presidente ako, hindi mo kidnapping, ako talaga ang nagbibigay ng pera. At ang order ko sa kanila, sir, nandito na lang rin tayo. Pag nahuli ninyo, patayin ninyo lahat. Huwag ninyo dalhin sa
Sir,
pupunta ng presuhan niya, pagkainin ko pa yung mga...
Mr. President, thank you so much for creating yourself from speaking bad words. We appreciate that. Nakikita po namin na pinipigil niyo sa
Takot ako sa inyo, sir.
Hindi po, sir. Tutuwa po kami dahil nga nagiging maayos po yung usapan po, sir. Kasi po yung...
Swerte na ito. Takot talaga ako sa inyo.
Kami din po nagpalamig din po kami namin dahil Mr. President, medyo nakamiti po dito ni Gerald Bato during that time that siya po ay tinatanong ni Senator Risco na sinasabi na sino magdi-disperse sa Office of the President. At ang may sinasabi po si Gerald Bato, sino po ba yung sinasabi na assistant na magdi-disperse po ng pera para sa reward system?
Yes.
Sino po, Mr. President? Kasi mo, hindi sinasabi po si Gerald Bato na tao na magdi-disperse ng pera from the Office of the President. Sino po yun, Mr. President?
Hindi ko na alam talaga. Pagkatalo ng police operations, actually, it's an official, it's not a hidden item that kunin mo doon sa kahira sa baba na kay police operation. Lahat naman yan police operation. It cannot be funded with, it cannot be a police operation, it cannot be funded with private money. That is not allowed by law.
Pero during the time that you were, during one of your interviews, Mr. President, I still remember that you mentioned that yung pong pera na galing po sa donation ng inyong pong campaign funds will be utilized for the reward system. You mentioned that and I saw the video. And that's a private money, Mr. President.
Yes, organic sa akin. Hindi na private money. Kasi natanggap ko yan. Ano na ako hawak ko na the money was I always told him was already when I was in the approved Christian.
But in accordance with the rule of COMELEC, yung excess money po na ginagamit po natin sa kampanya must be returned back to the COMELEC. To the donors, Mr. President. Hindi, yun po sinasabi ng COMELEC, Mr. President. And yun po yung batas na atin po dapat sundin.
Ano yung kita? Sinong kandidato ng ulit?
Sir President, you cannot ask question. We will be the one asking question.
That's why it's like...
Kasi po kami po nakakatanong po. Mr. President, I still have the floor. Mr. President, kasi po ako nakakatanong, nagkakunti naman po yung ibig sa ating donation. So, kulang na kulang pa po. And we believe that you have mentioned that excess money was utilized for the reward system. Is this true?
Public interest. To protect public interest.
Kaya nga po, Mr. President,
Yes.
na-utilize po yun.
Yes. Correct.
Thank you, Mr. President.